Gigabyte has officially introduced for new graphics cards in the GeForce RTX 40 series, including two models in the Super series. These new accelerators have been the subject of much speculation and information leaks. The Eagle Ice range features improved versions of the Eagle accelerators, now in a sleek white color scheme. A standout feature is the triple fan cooling system design, complete with optional white back panels. The GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 Eagle Ice models differ in size and specifications. The RTX 4070 has a 2.5 slot design and is 26 centimeters long, while the RTX 4060 is slightly shorter with a 2-slot design and 27 centimeters length. Each Eagle Ice model comes factory overclocked, with potential non-overclocked versions expected in the future. The new lineup includes 1. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle IC 16G. 2. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle IC 12G. 3. GeForce RTX 4060 TEAG LEOC ICE. 4. GeForce RTX 4060 AG LEOC IC 8G. Unique features include a non-standard arrangement of monitor interfaces on the RTX 4060 T Eagle ICE, with two DisplayPort 1.4a and two HDMI 2.1a connectors. The RTX 4070 T Super comes with 3 DisplayPort ports and 1 HDMI. Tower requirements vary, with the RTX 4060 using a standard 8-pin PCIe connector and the RTX 4070 T Super needing a 16-pin power cable or adapter. While Gigabyte hasn't announced the prices for the Eagle Ice graphics cards, they are expected to be similar to the original Eagle series, offering the same performance with a refreshed design. Gigabyte has made a significant addition to its graphics card lineup, with the launch of 4 new models in the GeForce RTX 40 series, including 2 Super series models. These releases have been highly anticipated, spurred by various leaks and rumors. The Eagle Ice range, an upgrade from the Eagle series, features a new white color scheme and an advanced triple fan cooling system, enhanced with optional white back panels. The GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 Eagle Ice models are distinguished by their size and technical specs. The RTX 4070 sports a 2.5 slot design and is 26 centimeters long, while the RTX 4060 has a 2-slot design and measures 27 centimeters in length. Each model in the Eagle Ice series is factory overclocked, maintaining the high-performance standards of the original series. The lineup includes 1. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle IC 16G. 2. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle IC 12G. 3. GeForce RTX 4060 TEAG LEOC ICE. 4. GeForce RTX 4060 AG LEOC IC 8G. The RTX 4060 T Eagle Ice features a unique arrangement of monitor interfaces, including 2 DisplayPort 1.4a and 2 HDMI 2.1a connectors. In contrast, the RTX 4070 T Super is equipped with 3 DisplayPort ports and 1 HDMI. The RTX 4060 uses a standard 8-pin PCIe connector, while the RTX 4070 T Super requires a 16-pin power cable or adapter. While the pricing for the Eagle Ice series has not been announced, it is expected to be similar to the original Eagle series, offering the same robust performance with a new design twist. Gigabyte has recently expanded its graphics card portfolio with the introduction of 4 new models in the GeForce RTX 40 series, including 2 in the Super series. These additions have been long awaited, following a series of leaks and rumors. The Eagle Ice range, an enhanced version of the Eagle series, features a striking white color scheme and a sophisticated triple fan cooling system, complete with optional white back panels. The GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 Eagle Ice models differ in size and performance. The RTX 4070 is designed with a 2.5 slot configuration and is 26 centimeters long, while the RTX 4060 has a 2-slot design and a length of 27 centimeters. Each Eagle Ice model is factory overclocked, continuing the legacy of the original series, with the possibility of non-overclocked versions being released later. The new lineup includes 1. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle-Lock IC16G. 2. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle-Lock IC12G. 3. GeForce RTX 4060 TEAGLEOC ICE. 4. GeForce RTX 4060 AGLEOC IC8G. The RTX 4060 T-Eagle ICE features a unique arrangement of monitor interfaces, with two DisplayPort 1.4a and two HDMI 2.1a connectors, while the RTX 4070 T Super includes three DisplayPort ports and one HDMI. The RTX 4060 uses a standard 8-pin PCIe connector, whereas the RTX 4070 T Super requires a 16-pin power cable or adapter. While Gigabyte has not yet revealed the prices for the Eagle ICE series, they are expected to mirror the pricing of the original Eagle series, offering the same high performance with an updated design. Gigabyte has unveiled for new additions to the GeForce RTX 40 series, including to models in the Super series, marking a significant update in their graphics card lineup. These models have been eagerly anticipated, following numerous leaks and speculations. The Eagle ICE range, an upgrade from the Eagle series, stands out with its fresh white color scheme and a triple fan cooling system, enhanced with optional white back panels. The key differences between the GeForce RTX 4060 and RTX 4070 Eagle ICE models lie in their size and technical specifications. The RTX 4070 boasts a 2.5 slot design and measures 26 centimeters in length, whereas the RTX 4060 is designed with a 2-slot configuration and is 27 centimeters long. Each model in the Eagle ICE series comes factory overclocked, maintaining the tradition of the original series, with the possibility of non-overclocked versions being released in the future. The lineup includes 1. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle-Lock IC16G. 2. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Eagle-Lock IC12G. 3. GeForce RTX 4060 TEAGLEOC ICE. 4. GeForce RTX 4060 AGLEOC IC8G. Notably, the RTX 4060 T-Eagle ICE features a unique arrangement of monitor interfaces, including to DisplayPort 1.4a and two HDMI 2.1a connectors, while the RTX 4070 T Super is equipped with three DisplayPort ports and one HDMI. The RTX 4060 uses a standard 8-pin PCIe connector, and the RTX 4070 T Super requires a 16-pin power cable or adapter. While the pricing for the Eagle ICE graphics cards has not been disclosed, they are expected to be in line with the original Eagle series, offering enhanced design and performance.